Exorcism can be considered as the act of removing a force or influence to restore harmony. These forces range from physical manifestations to mental or emotional issues that can affect us, but be remedied by what is called exorcism. In the Roman Catholic paradigm, one you are familiar with probably, the exorcism rite deals with Satan and Satanic forces exclusively. Elsewhere, the practice of spirit removal is found in every cultural tradition and falls into the domain of magic, as we in the West would call it, as we are not educated in these matters. There is, of course, a common thread to this universal phenomenon, an urgent need to somehow get rid of the malevolent interference. But don't worry, no cloves, garlic, silver bullets, or wooden stakes are needed here. Every religious tradition throughout the world recognizes this situation, and we have all seen the sensational examples from Hollywood with the preacher and the cross battling demonic forces. Spirit release is the mainstay of my activity, and on the website there is a specific course for this, as well as plenty more content there, and even a book on the subject. Whether you're just starting on this path or a seasoned psychopath, if this resonates with you, drop a comment below and let's unite the light workers and practitioners together. There's lots of work to be done.